Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to increase your happiness level, your health level, the smarts level or your looks level on BitLife. Now if you want to do so, you need to simply follow the steps shown in the video. Now let's get started. Now firstly you simply need to open BitLife app on your device, and this is the homepage of BitLife where you'll see options like school, assets, relationships, activities and all. Now firstly, to increase your happiness, health, smarts or looks level, you need to simply increase the age. So increase the age and it will give you a task. Now for me it says first kiss. You have an opportunity to have your first kiss with a boy from your class named VVS Cook. What will you do? And it will also show the looks of the person. So it will also give you the option like kiss him but definitely no tongue, run away from him, kiss him. Now you'll also see the option of surprise me. Now select the option which you think is suitable for you. I'll just click on the option of surprise me. So it just increased the happiness level. As you can see, it has increased my happiness level from 49 to 52, my health level to 87%, my looks level to 44% and all. Now this is my 10 years, my age is just 10 years. So I'll also be able to see the school where I'm currently in private elementary school and all. Now if you want to increase it again, then you may click on the options of, you may also click again on the option of age. So now it says it has given me another task which says wedding. Your mother has married your new stepbrother Buck Hathaway, a 65-year-old writer. They went to Fiji for their honeymoon, and it also introduces you to the new siblings. So if you click on the option of OK, now it says stepfather title. Now that you have a stepfather, you are wondering how to address him. What will you call him? It has also given you the name and the option. So select the option which you want to call him. This is a task for me. It may give you another task for you, so I'll just simply call him that. Now your friend Tisa has unfriended you. What will? Now it has given me another task, so I'll just click on the option of let her go. Now as you can see, the happiness level has suddenly decreased because my brave friend has unfriended me. So these all terms matter in BitLife, so select the option which you think is good for you. There are various terms which will increase your happiness, which will decrease down your happiness, and it will also increase or decrease the health, smart and looks like this. So that's how you can increase your happiness, health, smart, looks on BitLife. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.